Okay guys, welcome back to the Terravoxism 2005. We're filming a Via Train at 40 PH, it looks like. Yep, I think that is the F40. It looks like a P42DC with one of the ditch lights out. Or something. It has to be something. 87's coming in. What? Oh, unit's leading. It's an F4. That's an F40. That's an F40. Yep, that is a F40. Let's find out what number this F40 is. It's freezing out here today. Looks like 6427.
Your attention, please. This is the final boarding call for Via Train number 87, bound for
What is this
with stops
unit?
at St. Mary,
Cameras
London, Strathroy,
will
and
not focus on you.
on track number 1.
Oh, yep, 6427.
Dernier appel pour l'embarquement du train via numéro 87 à destination de Sarnia. Il s'arrêtera à St. Mary, London, Strathroy et Wyoming.
6427. Got this one on my birthday. Yeah. Hey. 3477. One last one until 3476. 3212. I think this was the same consist on Sunday, just with the 6427. 3339. This is the same consist. All rebuilds with the addition of 6427. Because on 87 on Sunday was 6421 and 3326. So I'll pause. It goes 87 really quickly, extremely quickly today. And yeah, that's some good news, guys. My mom recently ordered a scanner on Wish, so when I'm at my mom's house, said it would come in between like February and March. So it's the same as V-Railfan and GXM Jason's scanner, which is a Bailfang. But oh, another two horn reading. That's one thing. That's the one thing that all rail fans like is a horn greeting. The one thing that rail fans like is horn. Not gonna honk anymore. That's just too bad. She could honk for that crossing over there. Probably, I'm just curious about this, guys. That crossing goes off, and then another crossing over there goes off. As the train is at the station when the one crossing that you see in the back, the closest crossing in the background goes off. Anyway, I'm gonna be like the crossing detector. Gokusen 8861 crossing deactivated. Thanks for watching.